Are you over 60 and worried about muscle loss? It's a common concern as we age, but the good news is that there are ways to combat it effectively. You're not alone. Sarcopenia, a fancy word for losing muscle as we age, affects nearly 1 in 3 seniors. This condition can make everyday activities more challenging and reduce your overall quality of life. But here's the good news. Your kitchen holds a delicious secret weapon. By incorporating certain foods into your diet, you can help rebuild muscle and maintain your strength. Today I'll share the top 3 cheeses you must eat to rebuild muscle and stay active, backed by real science. Let's dive right in. Number 1, cottage cheese. This humble cheese packs a powerful punch of casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that helps rebuild and protect your muscles even while you sleep. It's a versatile ingredient that can be enjoyed in many ways. Just half a cup gives you 14 grams of protein, plus calcium for strong bones. This makes it an excellent choice for a nutritious snack or a part of your meals. A 2019 study in the journal Nutrients showed that seniors who ate cottage cheese daily improved muscle mass and strength. This is a simple addition to your diet that can have significant benefits. Try it as a snack with fruit, or mix it into your morning eggs. Number 2, Parmesan. Not only does it taste great sprinkled over your favorite dishes, but Parmesan is also one of the highest protein cheeses out there, almost 11 grams per ounce. This makes it a powerful ally in your fight against muscle loss. And because it's aged, it's easier to digest for many seniors. This means you can enjoy its benefits without worrying about digestive issues. Parmesan is also loaded with leucine, an amino acid proven to stimulate muscle growth, especially important after 60. Leucine plays a crucial role in muscle protein synthesis, helping you maintain and build muscle mass. So, next time you're making soup or salad, add a generous sprinkle. It's an easy way to boost your protein intake and enjoy a delicious meal. And finally, number 3, ricotta. Ricotta is rich in whey protein, the same muscle-building protein found in fitness shakes but much tastier. This makes it a great addition to your diet if you're looking to build muscle. Whey protein has been shown to slow down sarcopenia and even reverse muscle loss in older adults when combined with light exercise. This combination can help you stay active and independent. Spread ricotta on toast, stir it into oatmeal, or enjoy it with berries for a muscle-loving treat. It's a versatile cheese that can be used in both sweet and savory dishes. Remember, adding these cheeses to your daily meals can help you stay strong, independent, and full of energy. They are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that support muscle health. But always check with your doctor or a dietitian before making changes to your diet, especially if you have health conditions. They can provide personalized advice based on your health needs. If you found these tips helpful, please like this video, subscribe for more senior health updates, and share it with your friends and family. Because staying healthy is easier together. Your support helps us create more content to keep you informed and healthy. Thanks for watching. And here's to stronger muscles and a happier, healthier you. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in your health and well-being.